Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Jod bura mag Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance nowuok oko kaka yor ng'anyo ne somo budget mosom e od bura kod jatend migawo mar omenda Ngire Nyugunda Ndung'u. Kata kamano, Azimio kod kweth Kenya Kwanza ka gikoni wuok oko ka isomo budget en tim marach kata nyiso dok chien e weche mag demokrasia.
E kinde somo budget mokwongo mar Kenya Kwanza, Spika mar od bura mamalo Moses Masika Wetangula kod jatend migawo mar omenda Nyugunda Ndung'u obedo kod buok bang' jo od bura mag Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance othichore oko mar od bura e kaka yor ng'anyo ne budget ma 2023 2024.
Alafu president yeye anachukua 4.3 billion kama budget yake ya ofisi yake, 7.3 billion kama budget ya State House, alafu huyu mdogo wake anazake 3 billion. Na tunasema tutasimama na wananchi liwe litakalokuwa, hata kama tutabaki wawili pale ndani ya bunge, lakini tutasimama na wananchi.
And I've seen even sittings there are contrary to the way it's supposed to be. We are fooling Kenyans. I'm seeing Kenya Kwanza today have occupied spaces for Azimio. What is it that they're trying to demonstrate?
We cannot sit there because our sitting there would sanitize a very flawed process. Would give legitimacy to a very legitimate undertaking.
Azimio kone budget mosom kod Nyugunda Ndung'u odhienyo omenda makore lachne ne jatend piny William Ruto kod jalupne Rigathi Gachagua kod jodito moke piny owacho e ka japiny to ae mana gi lwete nono kafwayo.
Hatutakubali hii bajeti. Tutazungumzia watu wetu. Wamepandisha VAT 100% kutoka 8 mpaka 16. Ni nini wanakimbilia hawa Kenya Kwanza? Rome was not built in a day. Kwa nini wao wanataka kutoka 8 mpaka nini? Kila kitu kimepanda.
Sasa kama mweze kiza wananchi, amweze mkasikiza investors, mnachoma hii inchi na itawarudia nyinyi wenyewe.
A budget that is not in the interest of common mwananchi. That's why we've decided to walk out. A budget that will not be able or in a position to fund itself. This budget, the ways by which in the finance bill, by which the government has put that they want to raise money for this budget are very ridiculous.
Ikindego, ikwith ma Kenya Kwanza to ochayo kang' moka kod Azimio maruwuok oko kage wacho ni mano en tim duoko chien demokrasia.
Akina nani wanaleta vitu ambazo haziko? Unaweza argue logically na facts na useme hii budget ni mzuri ama si mzuri, lakini kutoka nje hiyo ni hooliganism, hiyo si leadership.
It is improper to mislead members of parliament, to mislead the media and to mislead the nation, and that is part of the issue we have with this whole procedures.
Karibu bilioni 12 inahekwa huko na sisi hatuna. Kwani sisi are we children of Balesa God? Hapana. Hiyo ndio maana mimi hiyo mambo sasa hatutaki.
Jod bura ma Kenya Kwanza to omor kod budget magikoni mulo dongruok mag japiny.
Imeangalia upande ya help, imedouble pesa ambayo inaenda kwa help. Imedouble pesa ambayo inaingia kwa upande ya subsidized fertilizer.
Profit oriented model. Social housing and community housing, the nature that will solve housing problems for Mathare, cannot be done under the profit motivated model.
Jod bura mag Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance singa men kod piny owacho kaka yoro keto gi tesre moyangore ayanga e tielo mokwongo mar somo budget mar 2023-2024 e kendo giluwo ni gibiro chaka men maked kod mane oko to kata mana iye mar od bura. Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV, Liare mar od bura, Nairobi.